Hi guys, ang lamig. 7 degrees Celsius in St. Virgil. Nandito kami sa PNC. Day 1 na aming 3 days and 2 nights tour. Ang lamig. Grabe, makakapasan lamig sa mukha. Pag nag-book kayo, kasi nag-book kami ng travel agency, kapan arriving dito, meron na silang bibigay na SIM na meron na rin internet, so you can use it for your tour. And then from here, we're going to Godauri, and then we need to travel for 2 hours. So guys, nandito kami sa precinct Ananuri. So guys, nandito kami sa Ananuri. Pumasok kami sa church. Wow. Hindi lang na videohan kasi it's not allowed to take a video or photo inside the church. But now, nandito na kami sa labas ng church na Ananuri is the place. So, kung lamig ka na kapagsalita. Sobrang lamig kasi yung jacket namin naiwan dun sa loob ng maleta. Hindi ko ba makuha. So, later na ako magja-jacket ng todo kasi nga nandun. So, what's this?
This down church.
This is a part of the church.
Yeah, all church. Here church, this here church, three church. Here is down door. Open, you go with water.
Yeah.
Take and come here.
Really?
Yes. This the one. Do you want picture?
Hello. this door?
No, not open. Close.
They will open later.
No, all closed.
Huh?
All closed. This here, this area charge. Kenisa. Yeah. Look. This here, look, red color.
Yeah, what's
This
that?
is old clock.
Old
Clock.
clock.
Yes. This here, this come, sun go up. This here, I don't know this what working. Very old people. Don't know. See or no?
That one.
The color red.
That red.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that
Ah,
one.
yes.
Yeah.
It is clock.
How come it become a clock?
There's a number of readings like that.
Really?
I 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah,
6, 7.
maybe that is
It's
the one.
small?
Yeah. Yes.
It's
small.
small.
Yeah. Stone.
Paano gumagana yan?
Different.
Ano ganda dito?
Panik daw kami. Panik pa kami. So,
Here, another place. This very high mountain. This forest. Here people stay and see enemy coming here. After this fire, the smoke go up, cloudy, and signal. This here
Ah, that
start
That's
here and
the
wall.
one.
Yeah.
Just like that.
All everything, Georgia, everything is very high. All-
that's the signal.
Yeah,
That's the
I
signal,
do
yeah.
not have people this mobile, this close.
Oh.
For enemy.
Yeah.
Enemy coming.
Coming.
Yeah.
Just like that. Because of the board there, na.
Now this see this building.
Oh, no, it's
Inside very small door.
Yeah.
Only one person go up inside.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Very
Very
tight
small.
sa the space. Ah.
Yeah.
Umaambon.
May video ka?
Yeah.
Videohan mo.
Mm.
I-explain mo. Ha? Nandun daw sa building na yun. Natrap yung mga tao. 300, 500 people died. Because nag-start ng, ano yun? Nag-flame that area. So those people stay inside that kind of building, I don't know, 5 floor. 500 people died. Whew.
So, andito na kami sa hotel namin sa New Godavari. And sobrang lamig. Ayan. Dito namin spend yung namin. First day namin dito sa Georgia. Ayan. May cable car, tapos may mga snowflakes. Ayan. Yun o, may akalagay. I heart Godavari. May Dunkin' Donut din. Kung gusto yung merienda, lalakad nga lang. Ay, Elsa? Do you wanna build a snowman?
Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa may Godavari. As you can see, snow sa likuran namin. Nandito kami sa hotel, malapit sa ski depot. So, nag-order kami ng pork barbecue. Itatry namin yung pork barbecue dito, and then the soup, and then the kachapuri, which is the Georgian food. So, ngayon ang lamig dito is umaabot ng -6. So, pagpunta namin dito, ang dami namin patong na damit. So, just in case na pupunta kayo dito, like this month, kasi ang summer months nila daw dito is from June to August. Summer nila dito, pero at night, malamig pa rin daw, sabi ng tour guide namin. So, nandun yung ski, and then pwede ka rin mag cable car.
Welcome to Georgia.
Welcome to Georgia!
Ba't tayo snow di?
Okay. Go! Mic test.
Mic test, mic test. Mic
Bumili
test.
tayo ng
Water! And magnets.
Hinihingal lang kasi ang lamig talaga. Hinihingal kami dahil after namin kumain, lumabas kami para bumili ng water. Tapos nakakahingal. Water and then ano yun? Ref magnet. It costs 34 gel. Tara, lakad tayo. Ang hotel namin is andon. The name of the hotel is, ay, saan ba? Ando pala. Yun. The name of the hotel is Atrium. Atrium Suites. Come on. Tara.
Maganda
Enjoyin
sa
natin.
Atrium Suites kasi meron silang free breakfast. Tsaka mura yung pagkain nila. And masarap. -6.
It is -6 degrees here.
Pero sabi kanina, magiging -11 pa daw.
May fishball pala eh.
Saan?
Karot. Ayun.
Asan?
Corn.
Ito. Ha?
Ayun yung Tagalinos nila.
Hello, di ko na video. Ha?
And then, meron ding Dunkin' Donut dito. Yun. Dunkin' Donut. And then, along the area, marami rin namang restaurant. Pero, if you want na parang 7-Eleven type, isa lang siya doon.
Kasi against the light ako.
Yun. That is the Dunkin' Donut. Here. Dunkin' Donut. Here.
Ay, parang may ganap doon, oh. May fire dance. Keme. Ayun, oh. Tingnan niyo yun, guys. Nagbo-barbecue si Kuya.
Oo, yan.
Buti pa sis, i-clip mo na lang. Naninigas kamay ko. I-clip mo na lang.
I-clip mo.
Paki-clip na lang. Hindi ko makita eh. Paki-clip dito. Naninigas kamay ko eh.
Yan. Okay.
Very good.
Kasi hindi ko na tumapitin.
Come on! Explore natin ang Snow World!
Alam niyo ba ang snow, ay snowflakes?
So from Tbilisi Airport, 2 hours or more than 2 hours ang travel time. Kasi this area is mountain area niya. So tomorrow, makita nyo yung ski and then the cable car. Susubukan natin mag-cable car bukas, at least 1 round. Kasi meron pa tayong pupuntahan bukas na ibang area. So yung taga-patag nila ng snow!
Video me,
Ayan
video
yung
me.
bata, tontuwa, naglalaro.
Yan, portrait. 1, 2, 3. Again. Akin na yan. Stop. Dunkin' Donut. Oh, iced coffee.
Dunkin'
Oh.
Donut! Nawala ng donut.
Paano pag gumawa ko dito Star Angel?
May munchkins kaya dito?
Kaso madilim dun eh. Ah, sige. Walo! Wait lang.
Set mo muna yan.
Technical difficulties. A game. At madaming snow. A game di. Ah! Parang walang nangyayari. Okay na. Let me see. Wow!
Pinapakan mo eh.
That's me.
Lagyan natin yung sword.
Muna ko. Carefully. Ah!
Wala, tinatapakan mo eh.
Hindi ako makatayo eh.
7:14, Tbilisi time. So, magsasara na yata sila. Ginaya ko.
Ginaya ako guys.
Ginaya
Ginaya
siya.
ako. Ako talaga yung trendsetter.
tayo magkakape?
Malalim.
Sa Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Ha? Saan na kayo magkakape guys? Sa Starbucks. Ano feel ko, dirinig yung hingal ko dyan. Okay lang yan?
Talaga naman hihingalin ka kasi sa sobrang lamig. Diba?
Correct. We're so close!
Teka lang.
Finally, we're here. Time to go up. Bye.
Dito na kami. Sa hotel namin. Nakakaingal kasi papanig siya talaga. Dalawa.
Maybe,
Oh.
dito.
Teka lang, ano ba naman tayo kanto? Wait.
$125.